Mr. Ravi Singh, founder of DRS Finvest. Hi sir, welcome to the show. Now I want to begin by asking, hello. Now I want to begin by asking, Nifty yesterday had retraced at 61.8% of the bounce that we saw on Friday and Monday. The overall sentiment as of yesterday was looking bearish, but today we saw market open gap up, a good bit of bounce back. There is overall exuberance across the globe. So given the fact that global setup, at least for now, looks constructive, what are the levels that you will be tracking for Nifty?
See, there is a very important that it was already mentioned in the last meeting that in view of evaluate inflation, and Fed may consider increase the interest rate in December meeting. As expected, Fed kept the interest rate unchanged this time. So, however, Fed raised concern over high inflation, which is still above the Fed's 2% target level. So after the meeting, definitely Nifty is opened in a positive note, and now the important levels is that 19,000 is a strong support going ahead, because the Y data is also suggesting major accumulation is occurring on put side at 19,000, 19,100 strike, and call side is 19,300 to 19,400 strike. So very important that Nifty is looking on technical front is strong in intraday charts, and now the resistance is hold at 19,280 followed by 19,350 levels, and support is also very strong at 19,000 and followed by 18,950 levels.
All right, so Nifty will, a crucial support at 19,000. I think on the upside, 19,280, 19,300 levels we'll be tracking. Sir, I also want to talk about Nifty Bank. Now, Nifty Bank showed good bit of resilience yesterday, which was the expiry day. In the last hour of trade, we saw a slight uptick in the index. Even today, I think it's trading with strong set of gains, up about 1%. Above that 43 sort of levels. What's the view there, sir? Can we expect the positive momentum to continue from here on?
Yeah, there is a positive momentum, and it will go up to 43,300 to 400 levels. But yeah, there is a very strong resistance at 43,600 and 43,800, because now Nifty crossed the 43,100, because the 100 is a hurdle point. So now the cross the above level. So the recent support is 43,000 and 42,800 levels. So we may expect some good upside momentum.
Good morning, Mr. Singh. This is Amit Ranjan here. I wanted to ask you about Hero Moto, which posted very good results, beating street expectations on all fronts. Now, but I'm looking at the stock this morning. It's hovering 0.4% down at around 3,080 levels. Overall, it has underperformed both other two-wheeler makers, whether it is Bajaj or it is TVS. What are your views on Hero Moto?
See, recent days we have seen very clearly whenever the result is posted in any company, so we can see some profit booking at higher levels. Now the Hero MotoCorp at a strong resistance at 3275. Now it's trading at around 3,075. So this is the attraction level, because the 200 DMA is about to 2,800. So if consolidation is going on, then we may see the uptrend, because now the sentiment are changed, and most of the stocks are in profit booking zone. So we have seen some profit booking, but now Hero MotoCorp is very strong, and we can take buy position at current level about to 3,050 to 3,073 levels. Put the stop loss of 2990 levels, and for the target of 3280. So in chart formation, very strong in Hero MotoCorp.
Mr. Singh, Sun Pharma was another stock that came out with the company that came out with its September quarter results yesterday. Across the board, a good set of numbers coming out. I think it was ahead of street's expectations. But overall, the stock has been an underperformer. I think I was looking at multiple time charts across 1 month, 6 months, 1 year. It has underperformed, Nifty Pharma. What's the story there, sir? Can we, is it a buy, sell or hold at this point in time, given the results are fairly good?
See, if you compare with the Nifty, then Sun Pharma and overall pharma industry, they have a negative correlation with the Nifty. That's why once we see the profit booking in Nifty, then all the pharma stocks are performing well. If you talk about a fundamental, then definitely Cipla and Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's earnings is good. So I'm expecting from the current level that 200 DMA is about to 1050 levels. Now it's trading at 1112. So the long-term investor may take a buy position from the current level, because once it cross above the 1180, so we can see next target of 1250. So in daily chart is very strong uptrend, and most of the moving averages are supporting now. So we can take a buy position from the current levels for the long-term prospects, at least 90 to 120 days for the target of 1250.
All right.
Mr. Singh, before we let you go, could you give us the your top five picks for the markets today?
As expected, market is bullish. So basically, I have considered 5 stocks for buy side today. So first stock is, my point is that consider that maybe the short term or intraday trader, they want these type of stocks, but these stocks have the quality to hold for the long term investment. So first stocks is the IOC. IOC is in current level is we can take a buy position around the 92 or 93 for the target of 110 and a stop loss of 86. At for the rational is looking strong in daily and weekly chart formation, suggesting the strong up ahead, and maybe we face a resistance near 110, but there is a very strong support on daily chart at 86. So the long-term moving averages trading above the stocks, and the momentum indicator like RSI, MACD, Williams are in buy zone. So in this scenario, we may take a buy position in this stock. And second stocks is the DLF. The stock has moved up above the 5200 DMA, and now swing is very high. So daily chart suggests raising the bull bid. So stock may move higher over short term, long term, sustainable the 570 level. So we can take buy position at current level for the target of 595. Put the stop loss at 560 levels. And third stock is JK Tire. So overall fundamental structure is strong, and the stock is found to support around previous swing low on the daily chart before moving the up higher. On weekly time frame is significant. You can say that lower indicate buying around the lower levels. So the RSI is also positive divergence and positive momentum in short term. So we can take a buy position at current level for the target of 325 and put the stop loss of 298. And the fourth one is a BHEL. As you know that we have seen some upside momentum recent days, and also we have seen profit booking around 130 to 35 level. Now the chart structure is very strong, and the level is hold 105 to 112 level. So making higher high and higher low on weekly chart. The historical price action on these stocks is reflecting meaningful attraction for the market participant. So we can take a buy position on BHEL at 120 levels for the target of 130, and stop loss would be the 115 levels. And next bid is a federal bank. So overall banking sector structure is now looking positive, and parabolic SR is now supporting, and most of the indicator like RSI, MACD are supporting. So federal bank currently is 140 or 141. We can take a buy position for short period or long period for the target of 155 with the stop loss of 136. So these are the 5 stocks you can add in your portfolio and see the earning.
That's Ravi Singh for you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us on First Take this morning. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.